Good morning, children. Welcome back to our GK class. Today we will do chapter number 30, Ready for a Polar Expedition, and chapter number 31, North Pole Highlights. First we will do chapter number 30, page number 44, Ready for a Polar Expedition. Do you know, children, what is polar expedition? Polar expedition means the wonderful adventure in which the group of people explore the polar regions of the earth, that is Arctic region and Antarctic region. These places are difficult to reach. Now let us discuss the difficult words. Number 1 is explorer. Explorer means someone who travels to places to find new things. Number 2 is amazing. Amazing means very good. Number 3 is adventure. Adventure means an exciting journey. Do you know, children, that Roald Amundsen was an explorer of the North and the South Poles? He was the first to reach the South Pole, and he was the first person to visit both the North and the South Poles. Now students, when we go on a trip or an adventure, we take so many things such as clothes, camera, sunglasses, smartphone, etc. Dear children, in this exercise, we will learn about the things or the items that you would need on a polar expedition. Let us see one by one. Number 1 is energy bars. It is the food made with oats and nuts, mainly designed to boost the energy. Number 2 is snow boots. These boots are waterproof and made up of leather. These boots protect the feet from snow. Number 3 is map. It is a very simple drawing that shows a direction of travel between one place and another. Next is smartphone. A smartphone is a cell phone that allows you to do phone calls, send text messages, browse the internet, and click the photographs. Next is leg warmers. It is the covering for the lower legs, similar to socks, but longer and without feet. These are worn to keep the lower legs warm in cold places. Next is sunglasses. These are the dark glasses that you wear to protect your eyes from bright light of the sun. Next is waterproof backpack. Waterproof backpack is a bag in which water or any liquid is not allowed to pass through. It will protect your things from getting wet. Next is thick gloves. A glove is a garment covering the whole hand. These are very warm and worn to protect the hands from cold. Next one is logbook. A logbook is a book in which someone records details and events relating to something, for example, a journey or period of their life. And the last one is water flasks. A water flask or water bottle is a container that is used to hold water or liquid. So children, as we have discussed about the items you would need on a polar expedition, so you will complete this exercise in your GK book. Now we will do chapter number 31, North Pole Highlights, page number 45. What is North Pole? As I told you in our previous video that poles are the top and bottom parts of the earth. There are two poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. North Pole is at the top of the earth and South Pole is at the bottom of the earth. Now in this chapter, we will learn about North Pole in detail. North Pole is the northernmost point on the earth. The pole is surrounded by Arctic Ocean and it is very cold there because the sun does not shine for about half a year and never rises very high. The ocean around the pole is very cold and it is covered by a thick sheet of ice. You will find many animals in the North Pole such as walrus, seal, polar bear, reindeer, etc. Children, do you know for what things the North Pole is famous for? Yes, as I told you, the North Pole is famous for ice, Arctic Ocean and Arctic animals. Now we will start with our exercise part. Mark a tick if the things belongs to the North Pole. Mark cross if it doesn't belongs to the North Pole. So let us discuss one by one. Number 1 is reindeer. Reindeers are found in North Pole. They are the part of the deer family. Like others in their family, reindeers have long legs and horns on their head. Number 2 is pyramids. A pyramid is a structure. The outside walls of pyramids are in the form of 4 triangles that meet in a point on the top. They are found in Egypt. Number 3 is Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is the largest forest in Brazil. It is having the largest collection of living plants and animal species in the world. Number 4 is Northern Lights. Northern Lights are also known as polar lights. It is a natural light display in the Earth's sky in North Pole. Number 5 is glaciers. A glacier is a huge mass of ice that moves slowly over land. The term glacier comes from the French word glace, which means ice. Glaciers are often called rivers of ice. They are found in North Pole. So children, as we have discussed the things that belongs to North Pole and things that does not belong to North Pole, so you will complete this exercise in your GK book. See you soon in our next video. Till then, all of you bye bye and have a nice day.